Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to fix your DuoLingo streaks which you were getting while doing the various quests on DuoLingo. If you have lost your streaks and if you want to fix the streaks, then you need to simply follow the steps on in the video. And to do so, let's start the video. Now make sure that you're connected with any type of Wi-Fi or mobile data on your device, and make sure that you have also installed and logged into your DuoLingo app. So after that, you need to simply open DuoLingo on your device. This is also the home page of DuoLingo. Now as you can see, I am new to this and I only have a streak of 1. As you can see, this is the streak button which you'll see on the top of the page of fire like icon. If you want to get more streaks, you need to simply click on this option of start and you'll get 20 plus experience, and your streak will also grow day by day. So basically the streak means that the thing which you will get, or which you'll think, the thing which you'll earn by using DuoLingo app day by day or completing the quest of DuoLingo day by day. Now if you are not getting this, then you need to click on the options of profile, and at the top right you'll see the option of settings. So click on it and you need to click on the option of help center, which is under support. So under help center it will redirect you to another page, and you'll see the frequently asked question and account management options like this. So you need to click on the option of what is the streaks, and you'll see the auto streaks, and after that you'll see the option of notification settings on the same page. So you need to click on it and it will redirect you to the notification and settings page. Now after that, after clicking on after opening settings on your DuoLingo app, you need to simply scroll down and click on the option of help center. So click on it and it will redirect you to DuoLingo site, where you'll see the options like frequently asked question, and you'll see the various problems which may occur in DuoLingo. So you need to simply scroll down and you'll see the option of submit bug report. On this page you can submit the report to DuoLingo by saying that you lost your snap streak which you were doing on the DuoLingo app. So you need to simply write your email address on this box, and you need to write the subject of your mail, and in the description section you need to type all the description, and you need to select the type of issue. So you can see there I cannot access my account and other various issues on it. So you need to fix the streaks on DuoLingo. You need to click on the option of other box and you need to attach a file and click on the option of submit. So by doing this, the DuoLingo will verify your email and it helps you to restore the streaks on your DuoLingo app. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.